something, but it's, for whatever reason, just doesn't happen to be dedicated to puppy pics and recipes.
Bruh.
And decides they want to add a puppy recipe.
Bruh.
What's up, party people? Carolina Mike here, your host for SharePoint in 60 seconds, where you can get the information you need in the first 60 seconds, and if you want more, stick around for a step-by-step run-through. Today, we're going to show you how to stop people from creating all those weird, wild, and crazy channels in your Microsoft Teams. Stick around, you're not going to want to miss this.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands, cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd, I like maple syrup, on my pancakes, I don't care what you heard.
Timer, please. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to find the name of that team. You're going to go there, you're going to click triple dots, and you go down to manage team, and you're going to go to settings, and you're going to go to member permissions, and you're going to say disallow members to create and update channels. And at the same time, it's going to stop them from creating private channels. Boom, you did it. Okay, before we explore the deeper dive here, I wanted to take a quick moment to say thank you to everyone who's watched, who's watching, and everyone who's liked and subscribed. If you haven't, here's your chance. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can know as soon as a new video is available. Okay, enough of that. Let's get on with the show. Okay, now let's take a deeper dive here and let's talk about some of the whys you might want to do this and what the implications are, which you're kind of seeing right here. So let's just pretend we're going back this way.
Bruh.
Okay. So you got your team, and your team is dedicated to, like, something, but it's, for whatever reason, it just doesn't happen to be dedicated to puppy pics and recipes.
Bruh.
Okay, well, in that case, maybe you don't want to allow people to just randomly create channels, because you don't know what they're going to create them related to. So in that case, you could go and, maybe you're going to say, I only want the owners to be able to do these things. So what I'm about to show you does not preclude the owner from making new channels, just the members. So we're going to go and, you could delete these as well, but basically, long story short, you're going to hit the triple dots next to the name, go to settings, member permissions. And if you do disallow this, quite naturally, they're not going to be able to create private channels. If you want to have a rundown of any of the other options here, there are a lot of options. Again, this would be videos and videos worth of stuff, because I like to deep dive and actually show you what happens and what the result is and all that jazz. With this one, the result is whenever a member goes in and decides they want to add a puppy recipe,
Bruh.
they want to add another channel, they're not going to see this option. So there you go. Hope this helps. Remember, do the best you can with what you got. And at the end of the day, SharePoint rocks, and so do you. We'll see you next time. Take it easy, y'all.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands, cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd, I like maple syrup,